AI NeuroX EA is an innovative trading advisor that harnesses the power of advanced AI, combining neural networks and the Perplexity and GPT-4 platforms. This expert advisor goes beyond traditional analysis by leveraging deep learning and complex algorithms to forecast financial market trends with remarkable accuracy. Designed to meet the expectations of even the most experienced traders, AI NeuroX EA crafts unique and adaptable trading strategies, making it a standout choice for anyone aiming for high-performance results and a cutting-edge trading experience. Highlighted features: the AI NeuroX EA leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence technologies, integrating neural networks with the powerful Perplexity and GPT-4 platforms to accurately analyze and forecast market trends. What sets AI NeuroX apart is its dual-platform approach, using both Perplexity and ChatGPT simultaneously to analyze real-time data, potentially boosting trading outcomes. This innovative blend of AI-driven trading algorithms with natural language processing capabilities, like ChatGPT, delivers valuable insights and elevates decision-making, offering a unique edge in the Forex market. Advanced AI-powered forecasting utilizes neural networks and the latest in AI technology, Perplexity and GPT-4, to anticipate market movements with high precision. Adaptive strategy development continuously learns and refines trading strategies through deep learning algorithms, adapting to changing market conditions in real time. Dynamic risk management employs intelligent risk assessment tools, allowing for optimized risk-reward ratios while maintaining capital safety. High-performance execution delivers fast and precise order placements, ensuring minimal slippage and taking advantage of profitable entry and exit points.